Hi, so we're Rachel and Darren. Today we're going to present this tool called SpecStack. So basically the main advantage of our tool is that we transform any sort of like natural language prompt into JSON wireframes that are then rendered very quickly into React, which will help us achieve compression in terms of LLM input while also making AI-generated UI visually iterable and unambiguous as it's like generated quickly. So let's just walk you through a demo. So here I've already entered this prompt, as you can see, and it's already generated sort of two different outputs. So this is the output from our very own app. So as you can see, Versal AI SDK is the streaming from our very own app, and Pure Chat basically shows the streaming from a regular Claude chat. And then on the left, you can see the wireframe output that basically is rendering the JSON output from our prompt. And as you can see here, basically, eventually it'll show, but the number of tokens inputted for our SDK is much lower than the actual chat.
And a secondary benefit of the thing that we built is it provided a way to brainstorm what apps could look like from big ideas in your mind into detailed specs. So anyone who's been generating specs has dealt with the problem of 1,000-line markdown files. What our app allows you to do is annotate these UI, which are generated instantly, as we mentioned, and then they will generate these context files, which all get stored in the local file system in a output folder. In the end, this gets tied into an MCP server using a lean MCP, which will allow us to create tasks and create prompts out of all of the context that we just shared. So we can do things like list pages, and this will share all of our context of all the pages in our directory. We can list the tasks, and these will be tasks that you can provide to Claude Code and set it up.